Receiving a denial letter for your Social Security Disability Insurance or SSDI application can feel like a punch to the gut, especially if you're over age 55 and struggling with physical impairments like chronic pain or mobility issues. My name is Kaitlin Wildoner, and I'm an attorney who helps disabled clients obtain their disability benefits as quickly as possible so they can focus on getting better. In this video, I'm going to share some strategies for those over age 55 with physical impairments to help overturn an SSDI denial and get the benefits that you deserve. Let's start with why SSDI denials happen and how being over age 55 can actually work in your favor. The Social Security Administration denies about 70% of the initial SSDI applications that come before them. This is often because of insufficient medical evidence or because they believe that you can still perform work in some capacity. For physical impairments like arthritis, spinal injuries, or heart conditions, the Social Security Administration needs to see proof that you cannot engage in substantial gainful activity, which is defined as earning more than $1,620 per month in 2025 for non-blind individuals. Here's the good news for those over age 55. The Social Security Administration uses medical vocational guidelines or grid rules that can help to make approvals easier the older you get. The rules recognize that older workers with physical limitations, limited education, or no transferable skills often struggle to adapt to new jobs, which can ultimately increase your chances of approval. The Social Security Administration frequently denies claims if your medical records lack detail, if your condition doesn't meet a specific listing, like for musculoskeletal disorders, or if they think that you can adjust to lighter work. For example, if you have chronic back pain, but your records don't clearly show how it might limit your standing or lifting, the Social Security Administration might assume that you could handle a desk job. For those over age 55, the grid rules can help by focusing on your residual functional capacity, or RFC, which is what you can still do. If your impairments restrict you to sedentary or light work, the Social Security Administration is more likely to approve your claim, especially if your past jobs were physically demanding and you lack the skills for less strenuous roles. Here's a 5-step plan tailored for those who receive an SSDI denial over age 55 with physical impairments. Number 1, be sure you request an appeal within 60 days of the date of the denial. Don't miss that deadline. File a request for reconsideration directly with the Social Security Administration. Step 2, gather updated medical evidence, including any records that may have been missing from the initial application. This includes any doctor's notes, imaging reports, hospitalizations, and maybe even a functional capacity evaluation that shows your physical limitations. Step 3, highlight your work history. List out your past jobs, especially those that were physically demanding, to show that you cannot transition to lighter work, which can help you to leverage the grid rules. At step 4, consider hiring a Social Security disability attorney to help strengthen your appeal, especially in instances of a hearing where they can help to present your case before an administrative law judge. And step 5, if you get all the way to hearing, prepare for that hearing by practicing how to describe your daily limitations, including pain or fatigue, and bring any new evidence that you may have, such as a symptom journal. Thanks so much for watching. If you're disabled and unable to work, click the scheduling link below, or give us a call directly for a free consultation where we discuss your case and see what I can do to help you.